Hello students, myself Anoop Singh and I have 7 years experience in PGT physics. So today we will discuss unit and measurement, class 11 chapter. Units and measurement. So we know that there are two types of units. First, basic unit, and second, derived units. Basic units also called fundamental units. Fundamental units. So we know that there are 7 basic fundamental units. That is, first mass, second length, third time, fourth temperature, fifth current, sixth luminous intensity, and the seventh last weight of substance. Weight of substance. So these are 7 basic fundamental units. So what is derived units? जो भी units फंडामेंटल या बेसिक यूनिट्स को यूज करके फॉर्म करेंगे उसको बोलेंगे हम लोग डेराइव्ड यूनिट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल एरिया. So area is, we know that L into B, length into breadth. So length dimension L and breadth dimension L, also L. So L square is the dimension of area. We know that mass dimension is M, length dimension is L, time is T, temperature is Kelvin or theta, current ampere, luminous intensity candela CD, and the weight of substance is mole. So these are the dimensions of fundamental units. So if we find volume, the volume is length into breadth into height. So dimensions are L, L, L. So L cube is the dimension of volume. Similarly, if we find velocity, so we know that displacement upon time is said to be velocity. So displacement is L, velocity and time is T. So dimension is LT minus 1. Similarly, we find acceleration. So we know that acceleration is change in velocity upon time. So earlier we find velocity, so LT minus 1 upon T. So LT minus 2 is the dimension of acceleration. Similarly, if we find force, so F is equals to ma. F is equals to m is m and acceleration is lt minus 2. So the dimension of force is mlt minus 2. Similarly, if we find work, so W is equals to F into S. We know that force into displacement. So force dimension mlt minus 2 and S is L. So dimension be ml2t minus 2. जितनी भी एनर्जीज हैं सबकी डायमेंशन वही होगी जो वर्क की होगी. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी फाइंड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी PE, तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज mgh. वी नो दैट. सो m फॉर m, g मीन्स एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी. सो इट्स डायमेंशन ऑल्सो lt minus 2 and h is height, so dimension is L. So ml2t minus 2 is dimension of potential energy and also dimension of work. Similarly, if we find kinetic energy, Ke, half mv square, half is constant. So the dimension of mass is m and the velocity dimension is lt minus 1 whole square. So dimension will be ml2t minus 2. So these are the dimensions of kinetic energy, potential energy and work, and all are same. So I hope आप लोग को ये जो भी टॉपिक मैंने पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया होगा. इफ़ यू आस्क एनीथिंग, सो कॉन्टैक्ट @B.